Public relations isn't just for celebrities or big companies anymore. In today's creator economy, you are the brand, and PR is how the world perceives you. But here's the twist. The most powerful kind of PR isn't loud. It's invisible. It's not about press releases, magazine features, or interviews. It's about how you make people talk about you when you're not in the room. That's the invisible art of personal PR, and it's one of the most underestimated skills in building a brand that lasts. Step 1. Define what you want to be known for. PR isn't about being famous. It's about being recognized for something specific. Ask yourself, what's the one idea, skill, or value you want people to instantly associate with your name? When someone hears your name, what do you want them to say next? That clarity is your foundation, because if you don't define your narrative, the world will define it for you. Step 2. Build your reputation through consistency. Your reputation isn't built overnight. It's built through every post, every comment, every conversation. Think of every piece of content you share as a PR asset. Each one reinforces your message, your expertise, and your personality. Stay consistent in tone, message, and value. When your audience hears your voice, they should know what to expect. Consistency is how you turn strangers into supporters and supporters into advocates. Step 3. Leverage the power of association. In PR, who you're seen with matters almost as much as what you say. Collaborate with other credible creators. Join conversations with thought leaders in your niche. Get featured in podcasts, newsletters, or communities where your audience already hangs out. Each association transfers a little bit of credibility to you. It's not about status, it's about alignment. When people see you alongside respected voices, your authority grows naturally. That's the halo effect, one of the oldest psychological triggers in human perception. Step 4. Let others do the talking. The best PR doesn't come from self-promotion. It comes from word of mouth. Every time someone shares your post, quotes you, or recommends your work, they're amplifying your brand. So give people something worth sharing. Be generous with your insights. Offer value freely. When you consistently help others look smarter, you become someone they can't stop talking about. Your greatest PR campaign is how people feel after interacting with you. Step 5. Be strategic about visibility. Not all exposure is good exposure. You don't need to be everywhere, just in the right places. Choose platforms, communities, or events that align with your message. Show up where your ideal audience actually pays attention. Being visible isn't about being loud. It's about being intentional. It's quality over quantity. Presence over promotion. Step 6. Humanize your image. The era of polished perfection is over. The best PR in 2026 is relatable PR. Share your journey, the challenges, the lessons, the moments behind the highlight reel. People trust transparency more than polish. You don't have to expose everything, just enough to make people feel like they know the real you, because trust is the new influence. Step 7. Play the long game. PR isn't a one-time campaign. It's an ongoing reputation system. Every message you post, every DM you reply to, every collaboration you do, it all adds up. You're not just creating awareness, you're building legacy. Over time, your quiet consistency becomes your loudest marketing. People will start saying, you have to follow them. They're the real deal. And that's when you know your personal PR is working, when the story of your brand spreads without you pushing it. The most powerful PR isn't about being seen by everyone. It's about being remembered by the right ones. It's not about chasing attention. It's about earning respect. So start shaping your story now. Be intentional about how you show up, what you share, and who you connect with, because your reputation is always speaking, even when you're silent. And the invisible art of personal PR is making sure it says exactly what you want it to.